Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Subsistence Traveling. I'm your host Jay. Today we're talking about 5 natural gas stocks to buy now. Okay? And I know everyone is excited about oil, but I think there is more opportunity in natural gas. Natural gas usually moves with oil and is the only fossil fuel projected to have increased demand in the future. Now, just letting you know, I believe any investment in fossil fuels right now is entirely speculative. So just bear in mind. Now, these are all pure natural gas plays. Some of them produce oil, but for the most part are pure natural gas plays. My disclaimer, the content of this video is not meant to be financial advice, but my own views designed to stimulate thought. All right, so to enjoy exclusive content or to support the movement, visit Patreon at patreon.com/subsistence traveling. So here's a case for natural gas stocks. They have low dollar values, so you're taking less risk, increased long term demand, usually rises with oil, used in many products and industries. And this ranges from power generation to fertilizers, plastics, and many of the things that you can get from oil, you can get from natural gas as well. All right, so as always, guys, the criteria used to select these stocks: one is profitability, two, valuation, three, liquidity and solvency, four, dividend, and the fundamentals of the sector slash industry. All right, so number one on the list is Cabot Oil and Gas, ticker symbol COG, priced at $19, price to earnings of 18.78, price to book of 3.49, pays a dividend of 2.11%. Okay, now I know the price to book is very high compared to the rest of the industry. However, this is the best natural gas stock out there. Okay, so hence the high valuation, but it's good financials and everything. Next is Southwestern Energy, ticker symbol SWN, priced at $3.09, price to earnings of 7.08, price to book of 0.98, pays a dividend of 0%. Definitely something to look at. Next, we have CNX Resources, ticker symbol CNX, priced at $10.16, price to earnings of 36.67, price to book of 0.5, and it pays no dividend. Okay, now this company has a very good balance sheet. All right, so here goes Range Resources, ticker symbol RRC, priced at $6.33, a price to earnings ratio of 355.42, price to book of 0.63, and no dividend. Okay, this is a very high price to earnings. However, I think price to earnings is not a good way to actually value this stock. The price to book is probably a little bit more accurate, and it's trading at less than book value, so it's definitely something worth looking into. Last but not least is ONEOK, ticker symbol OKE, priced at $32.94, price to earnings of 10.47, price to book of 2.45, pays a dividend of 11.35%. Okay, so the valuation is a little bit higher than the rest of the industry, almost 2.5 times book. However, this company has remained profitable during this period. Their first quarter results came out, and they've put out some good numbers regarding to profitability. Okay, so definitely something to look into. I wouldn't look too much into the dividend, as the dividends for these companies aren't safe, especially in this period. All right, so here's some other companies to look into. You have EQT, ticker symbol EQT, Ontario Resources, ticker symbol AR, Devon Energy, ticker symbol DVN. All right, so my final thought. So the average break-even price is $2.50 US per BTU. The last price was $1.70 per BTU. Okay. These companies tend to have very high debt loads. Um, However, I believe natural gas is the fuel of the future. I don't see much for oil. I don't see oil going much further than it is now. I think natural gas is the fuel of the future, and if it is a possibility for oil to go higher, but I believe if oil goes higher, natural gas will definitely go higher. Okay. It benefits from the ease of the lockdowns, especially when you're dealing with the demand for electricity, um, because the gas is used so much in generating electricity. I believe that as we see these lockdowns, end, the demand for natural gas will definitely increase. Last but not least, I just want to remind you guys that this is definitely speculative. I don't think this is a good investment, as I've said earlier. However, sometimes the speculative side of your portfolio is what returns, that gives you that exponential growth. Sometimes that's what doubles and triples, and we need exponential growth in this kind of period. I just want to encourage everyone to stay tuned, like and share the videos, subscribe to the channel, support the Patreon at patreon.com/subsistence traveling. As I always say, peace to all.